American dealerships are charging $80,000 for a basic pickup truck right now. And while they do that, China just built a mid-sized truck with more torque than a Ram TRX for $45,000. One of the trucks on this list runs completely silent for 60 miles before the engine even starts. Another one delivers 640 miles of range without ever plugging into a wall. And the number one truck on this list produces the highest torque output of any production pickup truck on Earth and costs less than half the price of the truck it just destroyed. You cannot buy any of them. The US government banned every single one to protect Detroit's profit margins. These are the 7 most insane Chinese trucks America will never get to drive. Starting with number 7. Number 7, the BYD Shark, $53,400. While American buyers are forced to beg domestic dealerships for basic mid-size allocations and absorb insulting $10,000 to $15,000 dealer markups just to get on a waiting list, the BYD Shark is sitting right across the border in Mexico, offering a masterclass in financial dominance. At $53,400, this plug-in hybrid electric vehicle weaponizes its spec sheet against the overpriced United States market. Underneath the hood is a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with an advanced dual electric motor setup. Together, they pump out a combined 430 horsepower. It rips 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, humiliating the standard Ranger and matching the $85,000 Ranger Raptor, all while saving the buyer over $30,000 in financing. The financial savings continue at the gas pump. Built on BYD's proprietary dual-mode off-road platform, you get 60 miles of pure electric range. For the average driver, that eliminates the cost of daily commuting before the gas engine ever kicks in to provide a combined total range of 520 miles. You get V8 level pulling power, silent electric operation, and compact car fuel efficiency wrapped in a futuristic, boxy package. Inside the cabin, it blatantly mocks the hollow plastics of American mid-size trucks. It features a massive 12.8-inch rotating center touchscreen, premium synthetic leather seating, an NFC digital key system, and a build quality that rivals modern German SUVs. US automakers are intentionally holding back basic features to inflate their profit margins. Americans can literally look across the Mexican border and watch these incredible machines driving around, knowing they are legally banned from ever buying one to protect Detroit's monopoly. But if you think saving 30 grand on a hybrid is crazy, wait until you see the electric truck that makes the Ford Maverick look like a total financial scam. Number 6, Geely Radar RD6 starts at just $25,000 in China. The American unibody lifestyle truck market is a financial disaster right now. The Ford Maverick was supposed to be the affordable truck for the masses, but dealerships immediately ruined it with massive markup fees, forcing desperate buyers into $35,000 loans for a stripped-down gas vehicle with cloth seats. Enter the Geely Radar RD6, an all-electric unibody pickup designed specifically for the weekend warrior that starts at just $25,000 in China. Geely is a massive global powerhouse that actually owns Volvo and Polestar. Because of that pedigree, they did not cut a single corner, delivering world-class Swedish-level engineering and chassis dynamics for the exact same price as a heavily used Honda Civic. Powering this sleek machine is a rear-mounted electric motor producing 268 horsepower and 283 pound-feet of instantaneous torque, rocketing this lifestyle truck from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds flat. Depending on the battery pack you select, it eradicates range anxiety by offering up to 390 miles on a single charge. That is a range metric that top-tier American electric trucks consistently fail to achieve in the real world. But the ultimate financial cheat code is mounted directly in the bed, which functions as an industrial-grade mobile power station. The truck bed features multiple 220-volt outlets that can continuously output 6 kilowatts of pure power. This allows owners to plug in heavy-duty power tools, run a massive off-grid campsite setup, or power an entire mobile workstation directly from the vehicle, entirely eliminating the need for an expensive, loud portable generator. The interior perfectly mimics a high-end Volvo SUV with its quiet luxury aesthetic, premium soft-touch materials, dual 12.3-inch high-definition screens, and a massive panoramic sunroof. However, if you are terrified of an electric truck losing its range while towing heavy loads, our next vehicle completely solved that exact problem for a fraction of the cost. Number 5. Changan Hunter EV, $23,000 to $30,000. American truck buyers rightfully refuse to adopt pure electric trucks for heavy towing. Everyone knows that the second you hitch a heavy trailer to a Ford Lightning or a Rivian R1T, you instantly lose 60% of your maximum range. It forces you to sit at broken public charging stations for hours, making those EV pickups mathematically useless for real work. Changan looked at this mechanical disaster and engineered a brilliant solution with the Hunter EV, priced between $23,000 and $30,000. EREV stands for Extended Range Electric Vehicle, and the engineering behind it exposes the laziness of domestic automakers who refuse to innovate. Under the hood of the Hunter is a reliable 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gas engine. But here's the catch. That engine is completely disconnected from the wheels and does not drive the truck at all. Instead, the truck is propelled entirely by massive electric motors, either a single motor in the rear or dual motors for a full 4-wheel drive setup, pushing out 268 horsepower. The gas engine functions exclusively as an ultra-efficient, heavy-duty rotary generator. It runs silently in the background at an optimal, steady RPM to constantly feed and charge the massive 31 kilowatt-hour battery pack while you drive. You get the vicious torque and smooth acceleration of an electric vehicle, but it completely eliminates range anxiety because you never actually have to plug it into a wall. With a full battery and a full tank of gas, the Hunter achieves a combined range of over 640 miles. You can tow a boat across state lines without ever stopping for fuel or a charge. Aesthetically, it boasts a massive borderless front grille and razor-sharp matrix headlights, while the interior features dual floating screens and a minimalist cabin that makes American base models look outdated. While that hybrid tech is a marvel, the truck in our number 4 spot is a pure, unkillable off-road monster, strictly designed to dethrone the Toyota Tacoma. Number 4. GWM Poer / Cannon, $25,000 to $35,000. The American off-road pickup truck market has mutated into a scam. Dealerships are demanding upwards of $70,000 to $80,000 for mid-sized trucks like the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro or the Chevy Colorado ZR2, inflating prices astronomically just because of a suspension package and plastic fender flares. The Great Wall Motors Poer, widely known in international markets as the Cannon, completely destroys that corrupt pricing model. It delivers a heavy-duty, rock-crawling monster built for uncompromising abuse for just $25,000 to $35,000. This is not a soft-roading lifestyle accessory meant for trips to the mall. It is a dirt-slinging behemoth actively tearing up the sales charts in Australia and South Africa, routinely surviving in the harshest, most unforgiving off-road terrains on the planet. Under the hood sits a highly reliable, heavily tested 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine generating massive low-end torque for crawling over obstacles. But the real value comes from the drivetrain hardware. GWM bypassed cheap components and equipped the Poer with a world-class German-engineered ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the exact same transmission architecture utilized in the Ram 1500 and high-end BMWs. It boasts a proper Borg-Warner 4-wheel drive system, front and rear electronic locking differentials, and a high-strength ladder frame chassis that simply refuses to die under pressure. Straight out of the factory, it comes heavily armored. It features thick steel bumpers, a heavy-duty integrated winch, a raised air intake snorkel, and aggressive all-terrain tires standard. The interior makes the competition look fraudulent, offering luxury-level finishes like diamond-quilted leather seats, a high-definition 360-degree camera system, and advanced driver assistance features for the price of a stripped-down, cloth-seat domestic base model. But if you want a truck that looks even more aggressive on the outside while offering Maybach-level interior luxury on the inside, our number 3 spot is going to make you furious. Number 3. JAC 9. Hunter, $30,000 to $40,000. If you walk into an American dealership with $40,000 today, The salesman will literally laugh at you before pointing you toward a used, high-mileage mid-size truck with a scratched plastic interior, questionable service history, and a 6-year loan at an extortionate interest rate. Meanwhile, international buyers are taking that exact same amount of money and driving right off the lot in the brand-new JAC 9 Hunter. JAC Motors designed the most menacing, aggressive mid-size pickup on the global market, outfitting it with a massive, gaping, blacked-out grille and razor-thin split LED daytime running lights that create a predatory glare. It shatters the illusion that rugged, heavy-duty styling has to come with an $80,000 American price tag. Mechanically, the T9 Hunter refuses to compromise, gives buyers the choice between a reliable 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged gas engine, or an advanced full plug-in hybrid setup, all mated to a durable 8-speed automatic transmission. It utilizes a part-time 4-wheel drive system featuring selectable drive modes for snow, mud, sand, and rock crawling, proving it is a genuine body-on-frame 4x4 engineered for serious overland expeditions. The disrespect to the American market continues inside the cabin, where the T9 abandons the cheap hard plastics of U.S. trucks in favor of a massive 10.4-inch portrait-style infotainment screen, brushed aluminum accents, ambient LED cabin lighting, and deeply bolstered leather seats that provide Maybach-level quiet luxury. You're getting the commanding driving position of a heavy-duty rig with the refined comfort of an executive suite. As infuriating as that value proposition is, wait until you see the full-size diesel truck at number 2 that offers luxury air suspension for the price of a used economy car. Number 2. Foton Tunland V9, $23,000 to $30,000. If you want a full-size diesel-powered truck with active air suspension in the United States, your options are limited and mathematically devastating. You are forced to spend upwards of $85,000 to $95,000 on a luxury trim Ram 1500 Limited or a Ford F-150 Platinum. The Foton Tunland V9 is a massive full-size hybrid beast that exposes that extortionate pricing model. For a starting price of just $23,000, Foton delivers a truck that physically dwarfs a standard mid-size pickup, bringing imposing proportions and an aggressive stance that commands respect on the road. Under the massive hood is a bulletproof 2.0-liter turbo diesel hybrid powertrain pushing massive low-end torque, perfectly balancing heavy-duty towing capability with modern fuel efficiency. But the real financial outrage is underneath the chassis. Moving up to the mid-range trims for still under $30,000, you get a highly sophisticated multi-link rear axle equipped with a fully active air suspension system. This is a mechanical luxury completely reserved for top-tier American pavement princesses that cost 4 times as much. This system allows the truck to automatically adjust its ride height for better aerodynamics on the highway, lower itself for easy loading in the bed, or raise up to clear massive off-road obstacles without breaking a sweat. Inside the cabin, it humiliates domestic base models with ultra-premium quilted leather seats, a massive 14.6-inch floating center infotainment screen, a fully digital driver's display, and Level 2 autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control. For the price of a heavily used economy car, you are getting a brand new full-size diesel hybrid with an air ride suspension and a luxury interior. But if you think an air ride truck for under 30 grand is a glitch in the matrix, nothing prepares you for the terrifying insanity of our number 1 spot. Number 1, JAC Hunter PHEV, $45,000. Forget the Ford F-150 Raptor R and completely forget the overpriced Ram TRX that greedy American dealerships are marking up to $150,000. The JAC Hunter PHEV is a confirmed factory-built production pickup truck that defies all logic and financial sense, proving definitively that the bleeding edge of automotive engineering no longer resides anywhere in the United States. Underneath this aggressive, armored-looking exterior sits the highest torque output of any production pickup truck on Earth right now. JAC engineers utilized a highly durable 2.0-liter turbocharged combustion engine and perfectly paired it with a massive, brutal dual-motor plug-in hybrid electric system. Together, this drivetrain produces an ungodly 516 horsepower and an earth-shattering 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. Let that sink in for a moment. A mid-size plug-in hybrid pickup truck from China literally beats both the supercharged V8 Ram TRX and the supercharged V8 Ford Raptor R on pure, raw pulling power and low-end torque. But the insanity of this vehicle resides in the fact that it isn't just a gas-guzzling monster. It provides over 60 miles of pure electric range, allowing owners to silently crush their daily commute, run errands, and sit in stop-and-go traffic with zero tailpipe emissions before the gas engine ever kicks in. The ultimate flex that makes American automakers look obsolete and greedy is the final sticker price. This world-beating TRX-destroying hybrid super pickup is priced at approximately $45,000. That is literally less than half the price of a bare-bones, stripped-down Ram TRX. Inside, it merges military-grade exterior aggression with aircraft-grade digital screens, premium cabin luxury, and heavy-duty utility. The most torque of any production pickup truck ever built costs exactly $45,000, and thanks to the outdated chicken tax and strict connected vehicle import regulations designed purely to protect domestic profits, America will never get to drive it. The American truck market is being systematically overcharged and completely underdelivered, entirely shielded by outdated import laws that force you to finance $80,000 for inferior engineering. If you want to see the 9 Chinese luxury trucks that make American trucks look cheap, that video's coming next. Subscribe so you do not miss it.